Yo, how are we gonna clean this up?
I can't believe this, dude. I can't believe this. Oh my god. What is that?
Pancake mix.
Is that what all this spread is?
Yeah. This thing is awesome. Do you guys remember that time my friend Eric Walterman pranked me at my Natural Born Prankster movie premiere in Chicago? This guy wrapped my truck with My Little Pony and rainbow and unicorns and myself in Angry Bird underwear. Like the most embarrassing prank to pull on a friend. Wrapped their truck up. I was so mad at first. But then I thought it was funny and I kept the wrap on. So I'm a good sport. I think it turned out to be a really funny thing. But either way, I still needed to get my buddy Eric back. And so, I hatched a little plan. So I had a unicorn catapult train horn made. What I mean is I had a catapult made that when it pops up, a train horn sound like boom! It scares the crap out of anybody, specifically my buddy Eric who's sleeping in bed. I thought this would be a great wake-up prank. So I went out with Eric with the intentions to get him drunk. We went to my friend's bar. I told him what was up. He was serving Eric double shots and drinks while I was being served water. Eric thought that we were just having a great time. We went out, we had fun, and when we came back to the apartment, we all went to sleep. I set my alarm for 5:15 in the morning. We woke up, went down to retrieve my unicorn catapult train horn, and we brought it back upstairs to his room while he's passed out sleeping, and got a little bit of sweet revenge on him. Check it out. For the rat, bitch. You wrapped my truck. You see this face? How's it feel? That's a little revenge for wrapping my truck up in ponies and putting me on my underwear on my truck. Dude, your face was hilarious.
What the f, man? Did that just happen?
You flew out of your bed, bro.
You're such a dude. Wow, dude. How did you do this? You were drinking it all?
No.
Oh my god.
Water.
Shut up, dude. I'm gonna give you a breathalyzer right now.
Breathalyze me.
Really?
We had to do it so we'd be able to wake up and come get you.
Oh my god, dude.
We had to do it so they could wake up and come get you.
Dude, I gotta give you props for that, man, because that was
totally unexpected, huh?
That was a lot of setup, dude. A lot of setup. Really?
Yeah. This thing is awesome.